Okay, in this tutorial, this is the second part of the tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to talk about uh, the home tab. This is called the home tab. इसको home tab या home button कहते हैं. हम इस बारे में बात करेंगे. अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी चीज़ें इसमें हैं we are going to discuss it. All of the things that are included is the home tab. We will be talking about those things. So you can, within home tab, you can see, you can select the theme font. जो theme font आप use करना चाहते हैं वो आप select कर सकते हैं. For example, this is, if you choose it, you will see which theme font has been used for this text. See, मैंने ये choose किया और यहाँ पे मेरे पास Time New Roman आ गया. So it means Time New Roman theme has been used for this, and the size of that font is 12. Now suppose I want to change this theme to some other font theme, and you can select, just place your cursor here and get down. But there is a problem. What's the problem? I can't see, I can't see behind this drop box. This drop box के पीछे मैं नहीं देख सकता. So I can do this thing. Let's slide it up. Okay, and just down cursor को दबाओ. Just press the down cursor and you will see your theme is going to change. You can select the desired theme for you, but the official theme that is being used broadly, that is Time New Roman. Time New Roman वाला theme जो होता है वो broadly use होता है इस केस में. So just write T and you will see Time New Roman appears, and press enter. Here you can also change this. Okay, size. This is called bold. If you press on this, so the entire theme will get bold. इसको dark हो जाएगा. You can see when you press it again, so it gets to the original shape. इसको आप under italic भी कर सकते हो. Suppose if you want to change this name, usually it happens, कभी कभार आप सिर्फ नाम को या किसी important चीज़ को italic करते हो. So you can select this one. See, it's changed to italic. You press it again, it will again come to the original shape. इसके अलावा आप इसको select करके underline भी कर सकते हो. Press it again. So this is for subscript, this is for superscript, and this is for when you want to strike out, you want to delete something, you want to show that I don't need that text, so you will press it. So ये आपको actually, अगर आप किसी का text, किसी ने आपको डॉक्यूमेंट भेजा है और वो आपको और वो चाहता है कि आप उसके डॉक्यूमेंट को मॉडिफाई करो, सो यू कैन मॉडिफाई दैट डॉक्यूमेंट. आप उसकी गलतियों को थ्रू दिस टेक्स्ट हाईलाइट कर सकते हो. यू कैन highlight the mistake of some other's document with the help of this. Okay, and suppose you want to write something like H2O in chemistry. This is one of the symbol. I hope you know what this is used for. H2O. Let me, now I need this in subscript. See, it is a superscript, it is a subscript. So this is H2O. CO2, which is carbon dioxide. So this chemistry stuff, I'm just trying to show how to use these things. This thing is called text effect. When you come here, so it shows the effect. If you want to have shadow on your text, so you can use these things. This is for the text highlight color. Click on this. This is yellow. See? So if you want to highlight your text, so you can use this. Again, go to the undo to get rid of this. अगर आप अपने text को, if you want to color your text, आप अपने text को color देना चाहते हैं, so you can use this one. See? And this is just to align the text, these buttons. You see, it's written paragraph, so you can play with your paragraph through these buttons. This one, it will bring the entire text into the center. It will align it in this shape. It will align this. This one is preferable. इस one को हम mostly use कर सकते हैं. इसको हम prefer करते हैं. Then you can, if you want to write in a bullet form for presentation purposes, so you can use this. If you want to give the number, so you can use these things. Okay, you can see that. You can see the effect behind that. Okay, you can also use this thing. See, so these are different numbering things. This is for the space between paragraph. Suppose these are the 3 paragraphs. You want to give the space. If you want to increase the space, see, just select and you will be seeing that the paragraph will be changing. You can also, by default, you can add manually you can add spacing option. आप manually भी add कर सकते हैं spacing के options. And these are the things that we will be talking about later. इसको आप heading के लिए use कर सकते हो, but this thing is having a very broad and important use that we will be talking later. And this is for find purpose. If you want to find a text, suppose I want to find Tahir, how many times Tahir is used? See, only once Tahir has been used. एक दफा Tahir used हुआ, that's why it shows 1. And the rest of the things is similar, paste, copy वगैरह, former painter, so I think that's not that important. You can also use the replace button. This replace and find are very important things by the way. Suppose everywhere Tahir is used and you want to replace this Tahir by capital Tahir, suppose. So just press this button, replace all. All done. We made one replacement. So it is saying, the computer is telling you that only one replacement has been made because there was just only one Tahir. Tahir was used only once, so that's why we replaced it once. Okay, closed. So if you come here, you see Tahir has been used. Tahir has been replaced with the capital letter. Tahir को capital letter से replace किया गया. So this is just an introduction to the home tab of this tutorial. I hope that you have liked it. If you have any suggestion, any comment, so you can write it in the comments box, and I would encourage you to give me suggestion. आपकी कोई suggestion हो तो आप मुझे दें. I would like to work accordingly to those suggestions. I hope you have liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.